In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to verify your age on Tinder. To verify your age on Tinder, you first need to be at least 18 as this is the minimum age requirement globally. Depending on your location, Tinder may require age verification before you access certain features. To start, launch Tinder. If prompted, go to your match list, tap on a match and select Verify My Age. Or if a prompt appears on the home screen, tap it. You will be redirected to a web page where you need to follow the instructions and submit a valid ID such as driver's license, passport, or in Japan, a health insurance card. IDs like pension books, resident card, temporary driver's license, or students' IDs are not accepted. Once submitted, your ID will be reviewed, which usually takes a few hours, and you will be notified of the results in the app. Completing this process ensures you are verified as 18 or older and can use all Tinder features without restrictions. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.